progression, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, in that fourth main fifth problem. In this we should find out whether it is arithmetic progression or not, and after that we should find out the next three terms. Now here fourth main fifth problem, 3 comma 3 plus 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. Now here 3 is a1, 3 plus root 2 is a2, 3 plus 2 root 2 is a3, 3 plus 3 root 2 is a4. Now a2 minus a1, first we should find out whether it is arithmetic progression or not. That means a2 minus a1 is equal to, here a2 is 3 plus root 2 minus a1 is 3. Here 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Now remaining here root 2. Now a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of a2 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. Now here 3 plus 2 root 2 minus into plus minus 3. Here minus into plus minus root 2. Here plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Remaining 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is equal to 1 root 2. Now a4 minus a3. a4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Now 3 plus 3 root 2. Here plus into minus minus 3. Here plus into minus minus 2 root 2. Now 3 plus 3 root 2. Here plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 2 root 2. Now plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Now remaining 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 root 2. Therefore, a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. Here all the common differences are same. Therefore it is a arithmetic progression. Therefore the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with common difference root 2. Now we should find out next three terms of this an arithmetic progression. Now what the given question, 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2. Now here this is a1, a2, a3, a4. Now we should find out a5, a6, a7. Now a5 is equal to a4 plus d is equal to a4 value 3 plus 3 root 2 plus d value common difference is root 2. Here 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is equal to 4 root 2. Now a5 value 3 plus 4 root 2. Now a6 is equal to a5 plus d. a5 value 3 plus 4 root 2 plus d value root 2. Now 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 5 root 2. Now a7 value is equal to a6 plus d. a6 value here 3 plus 5 root 2 plus d value root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 6 root 2. Now a7 is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Now the next three terms of this arithmetic progression are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Now sixth problem, 0.2 comma 0.22 comma 0.222 comma 0.2222. so on. Now first we should check whether it is arithmetic progression or not. Now a2 minus a1 is equal to, here a2 is 0.22 minus a1 0.2. Now 0.22 minus 0.2 is equal to, here 2 minus 0 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus 0 0, that means 0.02. Now a3 minus a1 is equal to, a3 value 0.222 minus a2 value 0.22, that is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22. Here 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 0. Now here both the values are not same. Therefore a2 minus a1 not equal to a3 minus a2. Therefore the given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression. Now seventh problem. 0 comma minus 4 comma minus 8 comma minus 12, so on. Here first we should find out whether it is arithmetic progression or not. Okay, a2 minus a1 is equal to, here a2 is minus 4, a1 is minus 0. Minus 4 minus 0 is equal to minus 4. Now a3 minus a2 is equal to, a3 is minus 8 minus of a2 is minus 4. Now minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now a4 minus a3. a4 is a minus 12. Minus of a3 is a minus 8. Now minus 12 minus into minus plus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. Here all the common differences are same. Therefore a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3. Therefore the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression which with common difference d is equal to minus 4. With common difference d is equal to minus 4. Now this is an arithmetic progression. Now we should find out next three terms. Now first write down the question. 0 comma minus 4 comma minus 8 comma minus 12. Now a1 a2 a3 a4 they given. Now next three terms what we should find out, a5 a6 a7. a5 is equal to a4 plus d. a4 value minus 12 plus d value minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4 is equal to minus 16. a6 is equal to a5 plus d. a5 value minus 16 minus plus d value minus 4. Now minus 16 minus 4 is equal to minus 20. a7 is equal to a6 plus d. Here a6 value minus 20, d value minus 4. Minus 20 minus 4 minus 24. Therefore the next three terms of this arithmetic progression are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24, so on. Now eighth question. Minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, so on. Now a3 minus a1 is equal to, now first we should find out the whether it is a arithmetic progression or not. For this we should take a2 minus a1 is equal to, a2 is minus 1 by 2 minus of, here a1 is minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 by 2, here minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled. Now a2 minus a1 is equal to 0. Now a3 minus a2 is equal to a3 minus 1 by 2 minus of a1 a2 minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel, that is equal to 0. Now A4 minus A3. A4 value minus 1 by 2 minus of A3 value minus 1 by 2. Here minus into minus plus. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now here D value is same, that is 0. Therefore A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with common difference D is equal to 0. Common difference, it may be positive, negative or 0. Now, the next three terms of an arithmetic progression are, now see A1, A2, A3, A4 they given. Now we should find out A5, A6, A7. Now A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Here A4 value is minus 1 by 2, D value plus 0. Minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 value minus 1 by 2 plus D value 0. Minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. A7 is equal to A6 plus D, that is equal to A6 value minus 1 by 2, D value 0. Minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the next three terms of an arithmetic progression are A5 minus 1 by 2, A6 minus 1 by 2, A7 minus 1 by 2. Now, ninth question. 1 comma 3 comma 9 comma 27, so on. Here one is A1, this is A2, A3, A4. Now first whether it is a arithmetic progression or not we should check. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to A2 3 minus A1 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 value 9 and A2 value is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now here these two values are not same. These two values are different. Therefore, A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression. Now, 10th problem. A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A, so on. Now this is arithmetic progression or not we should check. Now this A1, A2, A3, A4. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to, here A2 is 2A. 2A minus A1 is A. 2A minus A is equal to A. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is 3A minus A2 is 2A. 3 minus 2 is 1A. 3A minus 2A is equal to A. Now A4 minus A3 is equal to, A4 is 4A minus 3A. 4A minus 3A is equal to A. Here common difference is same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with common difference D is equal to A. Now we should find out the next three terms of arithmetic progression. The next three terms of arithmetic progression are, first we write down question A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A. Now they given A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we should find out A5, A6, A7. Now A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Here A4 is equal to 4A plus D is equal to A. 4A plus A is equal to 5A. Now A6 is equal to 5A plus D. A6 is equal to 5A plus D. 5A is equal to 5 A5, sorry, A6 is equal to A5 plus D. Now A5 value 5A plus D value A. 5A plus A is equal to 6A. Now A7 is equal to A6 plus D. Now A6 value is 6A plus D value A. 6A plus A is equal to 7A. Now the next three terms are 5A, 6A, 7A. Now 11th question. A comma A square comma A cube comma A4 A to the power of 4 so on. Now it is arithmetic progression or not, we should check now. Now A2 minus A1, here A2 is A square minus A1 is A. A2 minus A1 is equal to A square minus A. A square we can write A into A minus A. Here in these two terms A is common. Now take that A outside. A, here A we are taking outside. A into A we are taking outside, remaining one A is there. A into A minus here A we are taking. Now remaining 1. That means A into A minus 1. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is A cube minus A2 is A square. Here A cube we can write A square into A minus A square. Here in these two terms A square is common. A square we are taking outside. If we are taking A square outside, then A square into here remaining A minus 1. A square into A minus 1. Now these two are not same. Therefore A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore the given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression. Now 12th problem. Square root of 2, square root 8, square root 18, square root 32, so on. Now this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now we should check it is arithmetic progression or not. Now A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A2 square root of 8 minus A1 square root of 2. Now square root of 8, square root of 8, this 8 we can write square root of 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus square root of 2. Here 2 2s are 4. 4 square root of 4 value is 2. That means 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2. Here 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 root 2. Okay. Now A3 minus A2. Now A3 value is root 2 18 minus square root of 8. Now 18 we can write square root of 3 into 3 into 2. That means 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 8, 18, 9 2s are 18. Square root of 3 into 3 into 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Now here minus again square root of 8 we can write 2 into 2 into square root of 2 into 2 into 2. Now here 3 3s are 9. Square root of 9 value is 3 root 2 minus here 2 2s are 4. Square root of 4 value is 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. Okay. Now A4 minus A3. A4 value is root 32 minus A3 value is root 18 is equal to, again square root of 32 we can write 4 into 4 into 2. 4 4s are 16 into 2 minus here square root of 18. That means 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Now here 4 4s are 16. 16 square root is 4 root 2 minus here 3 3s are 9. 9 square root is 3 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is equal to root 2. See here, here common difference is root 2 and here also root 2, here also root 2. All are same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression with the common difference is root 2. With the common difference root 2. Now, we should find out the next three terms of this arithmetic progression. Now we should find out A5, A6, A7. Now A5 is equal to A4 plus D. Here A4 value is root 32 plus D is root 2. Now like this we can't add. That's why this that 32 I am writing here. Square root of 16 into 2. 16 2 is 32. Again here square root of 16 is 4. 4 root 2 plus root 2. Here 4 root 2 plus root 2, 5 root 2. Here 5 square means 25. That's why here I am writing this 5 I am taking inside. That means 5 square 25. The square root of 25 into 2. Square root of 25 2 is 50. Now A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 value root 50 plus D root 2. Here root 50 we can write 25 2s. Here root 25 value is 5 root 2 plus root 2. 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6 root 2. Here 6 square is 36. 6 square is 36. Square root of 36 into 2. 36 2 is 72. Now A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 value square root of 72 plus D value root 2. This 72 we can write 36 into 2. Now square root of 36 value is 6 root 2 plus root 2. 6 root 2 plus root 2, 7 root 2. Here 7 square is 49. Square root of 49 into 2. 49 2 is square root of 98. Now 13th question. Root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12 so on. Now we should find out whether it is a arithmetic progression or not. A2 minus A1. Here A2 is root 6 minus A1 root 3. We can't subtract these two. Okay. Now A3 minus A2. Here A3 is root 9 minus A2 is root 6. Root 9 value is 3 minus root 6. Now these two are not equal. Therefore A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore the given list of number does not form an arithmetic progression. Now 14th problem. 1 comma 3 square comma 2 square comma 7 square so on. Now we should find out it is arithmetic progression or not. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to, here A2 is 3 square minus A1 is 1. 3 square minus 1. 3 square value is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is 5 square minus A2 is 3 square. 5 square minus 3 square. Now 5 square value is 25 minus 3 square value is 9. 25 minus 9 is equal to 6. Now these two values are not equal. Therefore A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore the given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression. Now 15th problem. 1 comma 5 square comma 7 square comma 73 so on. Here this is arithmetic progression or not, we should check now. Now A2 minus A1. A2 value is 5 square minus A1 value is 1. 5 square minus 1. 5 square value is 25. 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. A3 minus A2. A3 value is 7 square minus A2 value is 5 square. 7 square minus 5 square, that is equal to 7 square 49 minus 5 square 25. 49 minus 25 is equal to 24. Now A4 minus A3. A4 value is 73 minus A3 value is 7 square. 73 minus 7 square. 73 minus 7 square value is 49. 9. 73 minus 49. 73 minus 49 is equal to 24. Now these all values are same. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of numbers form an arithmetic progression with common difference t is equal to 24. Now we should find out next three terms of this arithmetic progression. Now up to A4 they given, we should find out A5, A6, A7. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 value 73 plus 24. D value 24. 73 plus 24 is equal to 97. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 value 97 plus 24. 97 plus 24, 121. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 value 121 plus D value 24. 121 plus 24. 121 plus 24 is equal to 145. Now, the next three terms of this arithmetic progression are 97, 121, 145.